Time goes by fast. Got my memories, and they will last. I try to keep it simple, 'cause I hate goodbyes. I try to keep it simple by telling myself that I will remember you and all of the things that we've gone through. There is so much I could say, but words get in the way. So when we're not together, I will remember you. I will remember you. We're a picture in my mind. When I wanna find you, I just close my eyes. You'll never be that far from me, so don't say goodbye, 'cause you'll never be that far from me. I'm telling myself that I will remember you and all of the things that we've gone through. There is so much I could say, but words get in the way. So when we're not together, I will remember you. You were there when I needed a friend. Thank you, thank you. I never told you how much I meant. God, thank you, thank you. I will remember you and all of the things that we've gone through. There is so much I could say, but words get in the way. So I will remember you and all the things that we've gone through. There is so much I could say, but words get in the
tapos na yung project natin.
Oo nga eh. Actually, pinagkakahirapan natin yun. Kaya dapat maging I mean, you know that
English pa kasi. Message.
yung sa mga nakita klase ko dati, hi and hello. Yung sa mga hindi ko nakaklase ngayon, hi and hello din. Sana ma-appreciate nyo yung ginawa kong slideshow kahit madaming part. Kasi sobrang dami ng pictures na makuha, kaya dapat galing talaga. In compact siya. Yun. Kaya, pasensya nyo na kung natagal yung iba. At yung iba, pangit nga. Hanggang dito, hindi ganun kaganda yung music kasi wala na talaga akong maisip. Saka, mahirap maisip eh. Tapos, inabot na ng bakasyon, natapos na yung bakasyon, pa rin tapos. Kaya, medyo minamadali na yung iba. Kaya, sorry na lang kung yung iba hindi nyo na nagugustuhan. So, yun. Saka, yung kalokohan namin doon, pasensyahan nyo na din. Kasi, yun lang talaga yung point of view. Parang ganun. Yun. Bye-bye! Hi, I'm Shindy. Yung humangala si Lilo kasi ang galing niya mag-piano. Hi, everybody. I'm yes. I'm no. Everybody, I'm yes. Hi. Yes. Yes.
Ano lang? Ganyan na lang yan. Hoy!
Hindi pa tapos eh.